please, just take care of yourself, honey.
Ah! I hate this stupid phone I got. That's why I ain't finna do no more videos. I post a video and stop and be doing all that dumbass shit. I hate this phone so much right now. Ah! I hate this damn phone.
LearnixTV. Dumbphones. Well, not that one, but you're correct. Anyways, Dumbphones, what the fuck are those? Well, they're phones limited in terms of device specifications, social media and internet access, and ease of use typically. Now you might be asking yourself, why the hell would I want to use such a thing? Wouldn't I be better off with my perfectly smooth glass slab that accumulates calories upon calories of my collective fingerprints that appear ever so slightly if you angle the screen to the side? Well, it honestly depends. Most people who use dumb phones are doing it for these reasons. They simply can't afford a more expensive and capable phone, they are a collector of these devices as they find them fascinating, or the most ubiquitous use case is that people want to detox from the typical smartphones that we have today. Detoxing usually refers to reducing things like screen time, social media usage, and your dependency on your phone for everything. People who use dumb phones for this reason speak of several benefits like mental clarity, less of a need to check on social media as often, and more time to focus on things that are more important. Or to focus on alternative forms of ingesting media like books, for example. I personally use a dumb phone myself, my Nokia 225, and it serves me quite well. If you'd like to get into dumb phones and free yourself from the restricting chains of conventional smart devices, here are a few pointers. If you want to use an older phone as your dumb phone, save your breath, as most older phones aren't going to work, and if they do, not for much longer. 3G signals were completely cut off a few years ago, and 2G is not very widely used anymore and support is quite spotty. Your best bet is using at least a 4G dumb phone if you live anywhere in the USA. As for international use, it also varies depending on what generation of cellular networking your area uses, so you're going to want to research on your own. A good website for choosing dumb phones is Jose Briones' Dumbphone Finder, a quick and easy repository filled with dumb phones, along with a menu for specifying things like carrier, cellular generation, and what kind of phone you want in terms of how dumb you want it. Some phones feature smart apps out of the box and aren't too dissimilar to what you would find on a conventional phone, while others are completely devoid of things like a camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even a browser. So make sure you find a phone that checks all the boxes that you need. If you want something quick and dirty, try Briones' Dumbphone Quiz, which is a super easy quiz designed to unite you with your bricky, plastic, stupid soulmate. And last but not least, if you're afraid of spending some dough on a completely new device, as cheap as it may be, or if you're not sure about how you'd transition to a dumb phone, or you want some quality of life features not present in most dumb phones like QR code scanning, hyperlink usage, or GPS, then for Android users, try the Universal Android Debloater tool, a tool designed to allow you to remove things from your phone that you normally wouldn't be able to. For pragmatic dumb phone users, this would usually consist of removing addictive or unnecessary applications and keeping only what you need. As for iPhones, I'm not entirely sure what you can do and to what extent, but it's most likely far more limited than Android, so that's one thing to consider. Dumb phones are much less a hardware change than a lifestyle change for many, and if you find yourself spending way too much time looking at stupid fucking garbage on the internet, you should heavily consider buying a dumb phone or making your personal phone brain dead yourself. That's all. Have a good day.